Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a set on seating arrangement, quite interesting. It says that there are 8 friends, they are seated around a circular table and all are facing inwards. They are watching a test match between Australia and England, and 5 of the friends are supporters of England and the remaining 3 are supporters of Australia. Now, a friend whose both neighbors are supporters of the same team is called a dost, while a friend whose both neighbors are supporters of different teams is called a dushman. So each person will have two neighbors, right? If both these neighbors are supporters of same team, that person is called, the person sitting in between is called dost. And if both the neighbors are supporters of different teams, the person sitting between them is called dushman. It is known that 4 of the friends are dosts while the remaining 4 are dushmans. So चार दोस्त हैं और 4 दुश्मन हैं. It is also known that there are 2 pairs of dosts where both the dosts in each pair are seated next to each other. What does this mean? That there are 4 dosts, right? So 2 dosts are sitting next to each other and another 2 dosts are also sitting next to each other. मतलब वो जो 2 दोस्त हैं वो साथ बैठे हैं और बाकी जो दोस्त हैं वो दोस्त साथ बैठे हैं. The 2 pairs of dosts are separated by at least one दुश्मन. Means बीच में at least एक दुश्मन होना चाहिए. ठीक है? So let us make a diagram that will make us understand this concept better. What does it mean? Okay, so let's put 8 points. So ये क्या कह रहा है कि देखो there are two two दोस्त are sitting next to each other. मतलब ये 2 दोस्त है, ठीक है. Then there has to be a दुश्मन in between. ठीक है, एक दुश्मन डाल दिया. Right, now we can have the second pair of dosts. Okay, and then you can have remaining 3 dushmans. Okay, so let us take one more case where so there are 2 dosts which are sitting next to each other. Dost okay. Now we can have, instead of one we can put 2 dushmans. Okay, we can put 2 dushmans like this. Now once we put 2 dushmans, then there will be 2 more dosts, right? And then dushman. So like this we can have 2 possibilities. Okay, now it says that uh, it is given that 5 are supporters of England and 3 are supporters of Australia. So let us put team numbers 1 2 3 4 for now, 1 and 2 for now, and find out that which is Australia and England. So suppose this person is a dost. Okay, so these two will support the same team. Suppose they support team 1. Okay, we'll find out later that which is team 1, whether it is Australia or England. Okay, so both of them will support team 1. Now this is dushman. So if this person is supporting 1, this person should support team 2. Now this person is dost, so this person is supporting 2, this person will also support team 2. Okay, now if this person is dost, these 2 persons should support the same team. Now there are 2 possibilities: either both will support first team or both will support the second team. Okay, similarly if this person, now this person is this person is dost, so these 2 persons should support the same team. So if this person is supporting team 1, this will also support team 1, this will support team 2. Okay, now this person is a dushman, so these 2 people will support different teams. So if this is supporting 1, this should support 2 and this should support 1. Okay, now if you take the first case जिसमें ऊपर नंबर लिखे, so if you count 1 2 3 4 5, so that means these are if we consider the first case in which the numbers are written on top, that is these are England supporters. Okay, second case देखते हैं. Second case जिसमें numbers नीचे लिखे हैं, so you have 1 2 3 4 5 times 2. So इसमें ये like if you take the case which is written on top of numerator, so 1 means England, and if you take the second case, in this 2 means England and one means Australia. ठीक है, so two cases बन रहा है. Now let us check in this also. Let us put the same reasoning and find out. Okay, so if we put, let us say this person supports a team. Okay, so these two should support the same team because he's dost. So let us say they both support team 1. Okay, now this is dushman. So dushman, these two people will support opposite teams. So if this is supporting team 1, it will support team 2. This person is dost, so these two will support the same team. So ये 2-2 हो जाएगा. Okay, now let us make two cases in this case also, right? So if I take this person as dushman, so these two will support different teams. So if it supports 1, right, it will support 2 and vice versa. Okay, now this person is dost, so these two will support the same team. So if it supports 2, this will also support 2. If it supports 1, it will also support 1. Now this is a dushman, so both of them will support different teams. Okay, so if this is supporting 2, this will support 1, this will support 2. Now we can check also if this is dost, so same support, right? 1 1 2 2. Now let us find how many support England, how many like which is England, which is Australia. So if you count the first case, which is on the left hand side, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we see that only 4 times 1 is coming, right? But if it is a team, it should be supported by either 5 people or 3 people. If you take on the right hand side, let's count 2. 1 2 3 4, right? In this case also we are getting 4 supporters of each team. So that means both the cases that we took here are invalid. मतलब ये case possible नहीं है, because we should get 5 supporters of one team and 3 supporters of other team. Okay, so what does it mean कि there are 2 cases possible which we have taken here. So let us to make thoda sa clarity, right? So let us put both the cases in these 2 circles. Okay, so I'll just correct the 2 circles and we will write the names of teams also. Okay, so this case is not possible because in both the scenarios we are getting 2 supporters of 4 supporters, right? So dost dushman, we will convert this to dost and dost. Okay, this will be dushman only this difference. Okay, dost dushman dost, this is dost and dushman. Okay, so let us write 2 cases here. ये ऊपर वाला यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं 1 1 1. So we will take the second case here, 1 2 1. This is 2. Okay, this will also be 2, and this is 2, this is 2, and this is 1. Okay, और इस केस में हम ऊपर वाला केस ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, सो जो नीचे लिखा वाला केस रिमूव कर देते हैं. This will be 1. ठीक है, so this means that 1 is England here, right? So these are supporting England. So England वाले में I'm putting a tick. Okay, these 5 are supporting England, right? And let us say for Australia I put a dot. In this case these are supporting 2 is England, right? So in this case I will have 2 as England and 1 is Australia. So this is how we get the people, we get 2 cases of arrangement and how these people are supporting the teams. Okay, so let's now look at the questions. So the first question says that which of the following statements is correct? Out of the supporters of England, 2 are dost. So let us check both the conditions. Okay, so if you check the supporters of England, how many dost are there? 1 2 3 dost, right? There are 3 dost, and in this case 1 2 3 dost. So this is not correct. Out of the supporters of Australia, 2 are dushman. तो देखो इंग्लैंड के उसमें 3 दोस्त हैं और 2 दुश्मन है. ठीक है, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के उसमें क्या हो जाएंगे? ऑस्ट्रेलिया के उसमें 1 दोस्त है, राइट? वी सी 1 दोस्त एंड 2 दुश्मन, right? So this is option B is correct. Okay, now no need to check others, right? But let's see, out of the supporters of England, exactly 3 are seated next to each other. अब देखो इंग्लैंड के सपोर्टर्स कितने, 1 2 3 4 people are sitting together. In this case also there are 4 people sitting together, so this is wrong. 2 pairs of dushmans are seated on opposite seats. देखो opposite कोई भी दुश्मन नहीं है, right? So dushman is opposite to dost only. In this also if you see dushman dost, dushman so this is not necessarily correct. Okay, we have to find which is always correct, but in this case we are okay. It's saying 2 pairs of dushmans are seated on opposite, so there is only one pair sitting opposite, right? So there is only one pair of dushman which is sitting opposite, other dushmans are not opposite. Okay, so only B is correct, right? Second question, which of the following statements is incorrect? We have to find which is incorrect. Only one dost is a supporter of Australia, so Australia there is only one dost, correct. Okay, we have to find incorrect. 2 dushmans are supporters of England. Yes, 2 dushmans are supporters of England. There is only one dushman who is seated equidistant from 2 pairs of dosts. Okay, so there is only one dushman who is seated equidistant from 2 pairs of dosts. So one dushman, right? Is he equidistant from dost? So he is equidistant from one pair of dost. He is also equidistant from another pair of dost. मतलब ये जो opposite है, right? He is equidistant ना? First second person to the left, second person to the right, third person to the left, third person to the right. So he is equidistant from 2 pairs of dost. Okay. Now second dushman, is he equidistant? So if you see, this is dushman, dost and dushman. Okay, dost and dushman. So he is not seated to not equidistant from any of those. If we take this dushman, so 2 dosts and another pair of dosts, right? So there are 2 dushmans. Okay, in this case we are getting 2 such dushmans which are equidistant from 2 pairs of dosts, right? So this is also this looks incorrect. Right? There are 2 dushmans. So let us check in this case also if that is true. So if you check this dushman, he is equidistant from दोस्त equidistant है ना. देखो यहाँ से 1 2 3 1 2 3, so एक पेयर ही हो गया, ठीक है. और यहाँ से भी equidistant है, 2 people. Okay, so we are getting one pair. And if you see this person, ठीक है, दोस्त equidistant हो गया, and दोस्त इससे भी equidistant है. So there are 2 dushmans. ठीक है, ये statement कह रहा है there is only one dushman. No, there are 2 such dushmans which is equidistant from 2 pairs of those. So that is why this is incorrect. Okay, fourth statement कह रहा है out of the fourth pair of friends seated opposite to each other, only one consists of both dosts. ठीक है, both dosts, देखो एक ये हो रहा है both dosts, ठीक है, एक ही both दोस्त है. So that is correct. If you see this also, both dosts, ठीक है, और both दोस्त वाला एक ही पेयर बना है. So that is correct. We have to find the incorrect statement. So this is incorrect. Okay, all right. So so that we do not draw this again and again, I have created this table beforehand. If X, a supporter of England, is a dost, and Y, a supporter of Australia, is a dushman, and both are seated on opposite seats of the circular table, which of the following statements is correct? ठीक है, X एक इंग्लैंड का सपोर्टर है और दोस्त है, ठीक है, और Y ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सपोर्टर है, दुश्मन है. तो लेट अस सी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सपोर्टर दुश्मन, उसके ऑपोजिट इंग्लिश दोस्त होना चाहिए. ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सपोर्टर दुश्मन के ऑपोजिट इंग्लिश दोस्त, ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सपोर्टेड. सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सपोर्टर है दुश्मन, राइट. सो दिस इज वाई एंड दिस इज एक्स. इंग्लैंड का सपोर्टर दोस्त है, ठीक है. लेट अस फाइंड इन दिस केस ऑल्सो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सपोर्टर होना चाहिए दुश्मन, उसके ऑपोजिट दोस्त इंग्लैंड का सपोर्टर. सो दिस इज वाई एंड एक्स, ठीक है. सो दो केस बन रहे. सो लेट अस चेक द स्टेटमेंट्स. There is one supporter of Australia between X and Y in both clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction. Australia का supporter, clockwise anti-clockwise both directions, 1-1. So that is correct. पहला statement correct निकल गया. Okay, no need to check others. But let us verify कि question सही है कि नहीं है. There is one supporter of England between X and Y in both clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction. अब ये हमें चेक ही नहीं करना है. See, we know that अच्छा, so we will check कि इंग्लैंड के कितने सपोर्टर्स हैं, 2 दिस साइड है, 2 दिस साइड है, राइट. सो दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. The number of supporters of England between X and Y in both clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction are different. Incorrect, because दो दो दोनों साइड है. ठीक है. If you see clockwise, anti-clockwise, two this side, two this side. In this case also two to both sides. So this is incorrect. The number of dushmans between X and Y in both clockwise as well as anti-clockwise directions are equal. यहाँ पे कितने दुश्मन है बीच में? एक. यहाँ दो दो होंगे. ठीक है. यहाँ दो दुश्मन है, एक दुश्मन है. So that is also incorrect. So of course the first statement itself was correct. Let's see the next question. Suppose three dushmans P, Q, R are occupying adjacent seats in that order, and out of the three, P is a supporter of England while the other two are supporters of Australia. Which of the following statements is correct? तो तीन लोग हैं P, Q, R. ठीक है. Now P and all three are दुश्मन्स. ठीक है. And P is a supporter of England, other two are supporters of Australia. तीन दुश्मन कहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं? यहाँ दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है. So P is a supporter of England. So P होगा ये, और Q और R इस ऑर्डर में बैठे हैं, कह रहा है वो. ठीक है. इट इज नॉट सेइंग लेफ्ट टू राइट और राइट टू लेफ्ट. मतलब P इंग्लैंड का सपोर्टर होना चाहिए, बाकी दो ऑर्डर में Q एंड R है. Similarly, if you take this case, this will be P, Q, R. P is the supporter of England and Q and R are supporters of Australia, and they are sitting in this order. Okay, and these are all dushman category. Which of the following statements is correct? The friend who is seated on the seat opposite to Q is a dost. Q के opposite दोस्त है, दुश्मन है. Right, so first is wrong. The friend who is seated opposite to P is a दुश्मन. P के opposite दुश्मन है, P के opposite दोस्त है, P के opposite दोस्त है. This is also incorrect. The friend who is seated on the seat opposite to R is a dushman. R के opposite दोस्त है, R के opposite दोस्त है. This is also incorrect. So this should be correct. Okay. Q के opposite दुश्मन है. Yes, ये हमने देखा था ना. हमने इसको wrong किया तो ये obviously right होना चाहिए, क्योंकि Q के opposite दुश्मन बैठा है. Right. So that is why this is the answer. So this was a quite interesting set. I hope you enjoyed solving it and liked this question.